Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Google account and navigating to Drive. Google.com, then find the file or folder to change. Once selected, click the Share icon. This opens the Permissions dialog. Make sure you understand whether you're editing an individual item or an entire folder because folder settings cascade. Also check your own role. If you lack access to change permissions, request owner rights. Now, keep the dialog open and ready. We'll add collaborators and adjust access levels next. Next, add collaborators by typing emails or paste a Google group. This saves time for many users. Choose viewer, commenter, or editor depending on what you want them to do. Remember, editors can reshuffle permissions. Once done, click Send or get a shareable link and set link access. Restricted, anyone with link or your domain only. If you need granular control, open Advanced to set expiration dates, disable downloads, or prevent editors from changing access. These choices control both convenience and security. To finish, review the sharing summary and confirm only intended people have access. Make sure link settings match your intent. If you spot a mistake, remove users or downgrade editors to commenter or viewer. Click Advanced for quick bulk changes. Once done, notify collaborators if needed. If something goes wrong, check whether you're the owner, whether domain-level sharing policies block changes, or whether recipients have an outdated cached link. Usually resolving ownership or policy issues fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.